The next one is called as standards. Standards have been developed to cover management practices and the overall architecture of security mechanisms and services. Various organizations have been involved in the development or promotion of these standards. The most important of these organizations are follows. Now, standards are very important. For example, I will explain that standards with some example here. You already used so many mobile phones. Now I am taking the example of here Samsung and Nokia phone. Imagine you are using a Samsung phone, your friend is using a Nokia phone. Now the using that Samsung phone, you can connect to a Nokia phone because both follows a same standard. If there is no any standard is maintained, the communication between the Samsung phone and the Nokia phone is not possible because they follow the different technology. Both mobile phones follow the different technology, then the communication is not possible. Here the Samsung phone can be communicated only with the another Samsung phone. The Nokia phone can be communicated with the only another Nokia phone because there is no any standard is maintained. So we need some sort of standards so that if any device or any software is developed, it is used with manufactured by another company. Such features can be applied with the help of standards. National Institute of Standard and Technology. This is one organization who developed standards. Okay, its short is called as NIST. Is US federal agency that deals with measurement science, standards and technology related to US government use and to the promotion of US private sector innovations. Despite its national scope, NIST Federal Information Processing Standards (FIPS) and Special Publications (SP) have a worldwide impact. Now this is one organizations who developed standard for the security. Internet Society (ISOC) is an professional membership society with worldwide organizational and individual membership. It provides leadership in addressing issues that confront the future of the internet and is the organization home for the groups responsible for internet infrastructure standards, including the Internet Engineering Task Force and the Internet Architecture Boards. These organizations developed internet standards and related specifications, all of which are published as request for comments. Okay, these are some of the organizations who developed or who proposed some standards for the network security.